All right, number 8, we want to evaluate the expression for the given variable. So we have x minus 9 divided by x squared plus 10x plus 9. Okay, so one thing I want to do whenever I have a rational expression like this, I'm going to factor the denominator just so I can kind of see what the linear factors are. And you can just plug in the 1. So what this problem wants you to do is take x equals 1, plug it in, and see what you get. However, factoring might help you see that. So I'm going to factor 1, understood to be a 1 out front. 1 times 9 will give us 9. Factors of 9 are 1 and 9, and 3 times 3. And I'm looking for numbers that when I multiply get 9, but since this is positive, I want to add to get 10. And 1 plus 9 will give me 10. Now, since I don't have a leading term, I'm going to do this one a little bit different, just go straight into the factoring form. Whatever my leading coefficient is of 1, I just need to separate my x squared, or it could be whatever x your power is going to be half here. And then the two numbers we found that we use, 1 and 9, will go in the back. And we want to multiply to get a positive 9 and add to get a positive 10. So one rule tells you if you go left to right, the first sign is the bigger number, so that means 9 would be positive. And then the second sign, if that's positive, these two are the same. If this would be negative, these are different. But you can kind of figure out if this positive, this has to be positive to get a positive 10. So this will be the factor form. So I can rewrite this expression x minus 9, and then I have an x plus 1 and an x plus 9. Now, when they're all in linear factors, sorry we can't see that. When they're all in linear factors, it's easy to plug in a 1 and do this. So we're looking at 1 minus 9. Okay, plugging in for that x. Then we're looking at 1 plus 1, and then multiplying that by 1 plus 9. So what we're looking at, 1 minus 9 gives me a negative 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So we are looking at negative 8 divided by 20. And then you can reduce that, divide both by 4, and that gives us 2 over 5, negative 2 over 5. And we're going to do, it looks like the same problem, but this time we're going to plug in a negative 9. So if I start from here and do a negative 9, I'm going to say part B, this will give me a negative 9 minus 9, negative 9 plus 1, and negative 9 plus 9. Okay, so what I'm seeing, the negative 9 plus 9 is going to give me a 0. And 0 times, it doesn't matter what this is, it's going to be 0. So this is going to give me a 0 on the bottom, negative 18 on the top. It doesn't matter. This is going to be undefined because we cannot divide by 0. So we'll say undefined.